factor and multiplication. We scale is find all the factor pairs of the whole number in the range is 1 to 100. The second one is we use the multiplication operation for the long multiplication. So first we will solve some the simple 248 times 22 and call this the 3 by 4 by 2. The second question is 740 times 15 1 and same one is 3 by 2. The other question is I call the 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. So 12 times 34, 123 times 456. I will use the 2 scale or 2 rule to do the question. First one, we use the called table. Pick up the question is 3 by 2. It means that we have 3 number for the first line and 2 number for the second line. Look like the 215a times by 22. Okay, so first we need the time by time. 2 by a is 6. So put a 1 for here. 2 by a is 2 by 4 is a plus 1 is 9, and 2 times 2 is 4. Is for the first line. The second line is 2 times 2 a is 6. The second one is put a 1 for here. 2 times 4 is a plus 1 is 9, and 2 times 2 is 4. After that, we call the first line, second line, make it plus. 6, 9 plus 6 is the 15, 5 by 1 put on there. 4 plus 9 plus 1 is 14. 4 right now here and plus 1 for here. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 248 multiplied by 22 is 5,1415 is for the first one. I call the first scale. If we use the table, the same one we do the quickly is 7 3 4 times 5 7 4 by 1 is 4. 1 by 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 7 is 7. The second line, first line. The second line is 5 times by 4 is 20. So write down a 0 for here and more write down small 2 for here. Is 5 times by 3 is the 15. 15 by here and write down 1 for here. Is 5 times 7 is 35 for here. So it's a 2 line. I'll double check. Okay, so plus 4 3 7 plus 2 plus 5 is 40 by 1. 5 10, 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7, so is 3. The total is 37434. We can check by the calculator for the double check. So I use the function 734 times 51. It's a double check. Okay, it's correct. Okay, let's check the. So this is for the table scale. The next one I will use the square. Maybe some students never learn for the square, but I'll show you how to use it because the square is very quickly to the 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. It's similar, right? So when you see the question is 2 by 2 or 4 by 4, right? You just write down the square. Okay, and make the like this one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, use the tinting line for here, and the other one for here and here. Okay, so each one by each one. 1 times 3 get 3 put on there because this is the tinting one, is 0. The second one, 2 times 3 is 6 by 0. For the next one is 1 times 4 is 0 for 4. The other one is 2 times 4 is 0, 8. Next we need to make the plus. So A for here, 4 plus 6 is a 0. Please remember the number move the next line for here. So 1 put on here. The other one is 3 plus 1 is 4. Here is 0. So we get 12 times 34 is 408. We can double check for the table. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 8, 0, 1, 4. This is 4. Yes, it's correct. Okay, do the review. We know how to use the long multiplication, right? Maybe 2 by 2, 2 by 3, or 2 by 3. This means it's more number over 2, right? So we can use the multiple by the table, more numbers, or you can use the square scale, look like the square, right? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, right? Just make this one. It's very quickly. So the homework, I will give a few homework for everyone. So could you use the 3 by 2, look like this one, to get the answer? That means the 3 by 2 how we can do that, right? I just want to say thank you everyone, watch my video, do the homework, and try think how to do the 3 by 2, use the square. Thank you. See you next time.